How to clear cache and cookies in major browser for smoother performance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can clear out cache in major browsers that you normally use for smoother performance on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up the browser that you use the most. After you do that, tap on the three dots on the top right. After you tap on it, you'll find the settings option. If you don't find it, scroll down and there you'll see the settings option. Tap on settings to open it up. After you're on your settings, you'll find multiple different options. What you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your privacy and security. And after you're on your privacy and security, you'll find multiple options again. You will see delete browsing data option right here. Tap on it. Now this is same for every other web browsers as well. Just head over to settings, go to privacy and security, and there you'll find anything related to cache, cookies, and memory. After you tap on it, you can see the cookies and other site datas and cached images and files. You can tap on delete. And after you tap on delete, you'll have removed the cache from all of those websites. And that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave a like down below and thanks for watching.